Hi, I'm Maurice from Octopush, and today I'm going to show you how to choose and buy your SMS pack. So first of all, you need to know that your SMS pack will always be valid as long as you send one SMS a year. This is useful to know because you can take advantage of the bigger SMS pack with the lower unit prices if you know your annual consumption. Once you know your annual consumption or just the consumption that you're going to need, you just go to the order tab, text SMS, and you choose the country. I'm going to choose France, and I know that my annual volume is roughly 45,000 SMS, but I don't see a 45,000 SMS pack, but this is no issue because you can actually personalize your pack size. So I'm just going to type 45,000 SMS, order, and I'm ready to check out. Step one is going to choose my payment method. We accept bank card, PayPal, wire transfer, or check. If you pay by wire transfer, please send us a proof of the wire transfer at support@octopush.com. You can use a discount code if you have one. Then verify that your user profile information is correct, because this is the information that's going to be in your invoice. And lastly, you just have to accept the general terms of use and complete the order. If you pay via bank transfer, it's useful to get a purchase order and then complete your order. If you pay via PayPal, you're going to be redirected to your PayPal login account page. You just have to log in and then it'll be automatically. If you pay by bank card, you'll be redirected to Paybox, which is a secured site where you just have to type your card information and you'll receive a verification code via SMS. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, check out our aid center, or you can chat with us via chat or send us an email at support@octopush.com. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.